How is it going, guys? Hello and welcome to episode 4 of the build, where we will paint some natural metal finish. First thing to do was to mask the canopy. I applied the pre-cut masks that come with the kit. Then, using masking liquid, I filled the gaps. Next, I traced the original masks on a piece of masking tape so I can make my own set. Then, I applied the masks on the inside of the canopy. Once more, I filled the gaps using masking liquid. To finalize the transparencies, I applied interior color. Before placing the windshield, I added the final details on the gun sight. It was time to glue the windshield in place. To protect the cockpit from overspray, I attached a spare canopy with some masking liquid. The final step before painting is to assemble the pylons and the rockets and glue them to some sprue for easier painting. The library edition kit comes with resin weapons and unfortunately no external fuel tanks. And there we have it, ready for paint. Or is it? Learn how to mask your wheel wells. Click on the info card in your upper right corner. After cleaning the airframe with isopropyl alcohol, I applied Mr. Surfacer 1500 black primer. If you're in for exclusive content, merchandise discounts and other interesting perks, click on the info card or in the link in the description and become a patron. I left the primer to dry for about 20 minutes and then applied green paint on the dielectric panels and some other places as per my references. After an hour of drying time, I covered the green spots with the pre-cut masks and masking liquid. The sub-assemblies needed some paint as well. For gloss black base, I used Mr. Color C02 diluted with Mr. Leveling Thinner. If you like what you see, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on the notification icon so you can get notified whenever I upload something new. For the first metallic layer, I have chosen polished aluminum. It is very shiny and reflective, and I will reduce it to more realistic look with some subsequent layers. I covered this layer with silver for metallizers from Model Master. For paneling, there are two routes that you can choose from. First being to mask each individual panel and then apply a metallic shade of your choice. This will give you well-defined borders and less risk of overspray. The other way is to apply paint freehand with your airbrush. This will need some experience, but the benefit is that in this way you can save a lot of time. I didn't speed up the footage so you can see in real time how much you can cover in 30 seconds. In the next episode we are going to do the weathering. Make sure you don't miss it, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy modeling!